everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are taking apart the front handlebars on our Joyor scooter. So our plan is to take off this whole front section and install it onto a Razor E300 scooter. So let's go ahead and convert our E300 scooter into an off-road scooter. And then we're going to do this rear end on the E300 as well. Let's go ahead and get started. So we need to remove these bolts. On the other side, there's also one bolt in the middle. We need to get these wires out, so this slides down. Top slides up. This brake line right here. A 5mm. So this brake line's out. Make sure you don't lose these pieces. So I'm gonna see, let's see what slides out. Okay. And that will stay in there. Right. So we don't want to lose the spring and a little adjusting nut. Right. Let's pull these wires through. Let's unplug this plug. Right, everything's out from that side. So we actually need to loosen this one. So 5mm again. Handlebars off. Good news is this is really long, so we'll be able to use this on a Razor for sure. Alright, so now we have to remove this nut. There we go. A little groove notch right there. So then now you lift this up and this rotates off easily. So there's a little notch in here, you can slide the bearing out. So I'm just being really careful not to bend the bearing. There we go. Perfect. So we can reuse this in a bit. We're gonna disassemble the back as well. So we have hall sensor, phase wires. Go ahead and pull this out. We're gonna unwire it. All the wires are out. Alright, so now this will come off. Wheel off. Kickstand. To remove the kickstand, just unbolt the screws.